I am Dr. Pavithra from Ambasamudram. My friend and seniors told me about this course and it is very good and very informative for us. Both the online and offline classes are nice, and online classes are every topics they have teached very well, and all the topics they have covered about infertility, azoospermia, IUI, stimulation protocols, uterine factors, endocrine factors contributing infertility. They taught detailed about PCOS and about 41 chapters they have covered. They have teach very well about ovum pickup, embryo transfer, IUI, hysteroscopy. Within the 5 days we got the confidence about the ovum pickup, embryo transfer and all. Kamini Rao ma'am class is very nice. Taught how to approach the infertile couples, male infertility, female infertility, and each and every topics, everything are very useful. Shanthala ma'am classes are very nice and it's very informative and it's very helpful for our practice too. All the topics they have covered are very helpful for our regular practice, especially infertility practice. It will help us to build our ART knowledge. A special thanks to Dr. Kamini Rao ma'am and Medline FRM course. Thank you very much.